Welcome you all to the lecture number 12. First example is solve d square y by dx square minus y is equal to x sin x plus 1 plus x square into e to the power x. Now first auxiliary equation, it is m, right before that write this d square y by dx square in terms of d operator. So it is d square y minus y is equal to x multiplied by sin x plus 1 plus x square multiplied by e to the power x. So taking y common, d square minus 1 multiplied by y, it is equal to x into sin x plus 1 plus x square into e to the power x. Now auxiliary equation is m square minus 1 is equal to 0. M square minus 1 is equal to 0 means m plus 1 into m minus 1 is equal to 0. So what are the roots for m? M is equal to 1 and minus 1. Now roots are real and different. If the roots are real and different, how to write CF? CF can be written as C1 e to the power x plus C2 e to the power minus x. This is the CF for the given problem. Now to find out PI. PI is equal to 1 upon d square minus 1 multiplied by right hand side x sin x plus 1 plus x square multiplied by e to the power x. Now observe right hand side properly. This is x sin x means we have to use here case number 6, and 1 plus x square into e to the power x, here we use case number 5. So both are different. So we first separate this 1 by d square minus 1 with this right hand side with this function. So it is 1 upon d square minus 1 multiplied by x into sin x plus 1 upon d square minus 1 into 1 plus x square into e to the power x. You can separately solve both the function and after you can substitute here, or simultaneously you can solve. So this is equal to 1 upon. Now what is case number 5? Case number 5 is x minus, case number 6, sorry. Case number 6 is x minus x multiplied by v case. So x minus phi dash of d, that is 2d, divided by phi of d, that is d square minus 1, multiplied by 1 upon phi of d, that is 1 upon d square minus 1 into sin x, plus what is case number 5th? Fifth case is e to the power ax multiplied by v. V is here polynomial. So replace d by d plus coefficient of x in exponential term, it is 1. So d plus 1. Replace d by d plus 1. It is equal to 1 upon d plus 1 whole square minus 1 e to the power x outside multiplied by 1 plus x square. Now simplify it. It is equal to x minus 2d divided by d square minus 1. Now first simplify this term. 1 upon d square minus 1 into sin x. Now what is trigonometric case? Trigonometric case is replace d square by minus a square. Minus a square is minus of. A value is 1 here. So minus of 1 square, which is equal to minus 1. And so it become 1 upon, don't replace here, we simplify this bracket separately. So it is minus 1 multiplied by sin x plus e to the power x as it is. Simplify denominator here, it is d square plus 2d plus 1 minus 1 multiplied by 1 plus x square. Now this is equal to x minus 2d divided by d square minus 1 as it is. 1 upon minus 1 is minus 2. So sin x divided by minus 2 plus e to the power x as it is 1 upon d square plus 2d. d square plus 2d, minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled, remaining is 1 plus x square. So this is equal to minus of 1 by 2 outside. Now multiply this bracket by sin x, so it is x into sin x minus 2d divided by d square minus 1 multiplied by sin x plus e to the power x outside. Now we have to use here polynomial case. And what is polynomial case? Taking lowest degree term of d outside. So here lowest degree term is 2d. So we can take 2d outside. So 1 upon 2d outside. If 2d outside means it is d square by 2d. D square by 2d plus 2d by 2d is 1 multiplied by 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square. So this is equal to minus of, now see here we want to simplify this d square minus 1 into sin x. So what will be the replacement? Replace d square by minus a square, which is equal to minus 1. And it is equal to minus of 1 by 2 times x into sin x minus 2d as it is minus 1 into sin x plus e to the power x divided by 2d as it is 1 upon, I am writing this 1 first, so it is 1 plus d square by 2d is d by 2 multiplied by 1 plus x square. So this is equal to Pi is equal to minus of 1 by 2 times x into sin x minus 2d divided by minus 2 multiplied by sin x. Minus 1 by 2 times x into sin x minus 2d divided by minus 2 into sin x plus e to the power x by 2d. E to the power x upon 2d and 1 upon 1 plus d we got. So it is 1 minus d by 2 plus d by 2 whole square minus d by 2 whole cube and so on multiplied by 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square. Okay, now see here it is 1 minus d by 2. What is the polynomial order? Polynomial order is x square. X square means highest power is 2. So we want term up to d to the power 2. So this is minus of 1 by 2 minus of x into sin x divided by 2. Okay, this minus plus with this minus it become minus. 2 will get cancelled, 1 2 is remaining, so it is d by 2 multiplied by sin x plus e to the power x upon 2d as it is 1 minus d by 2 we want plus d square by 2 we want. Remaining term we neglect and multiplied by 1 plus x square. So it is equal to minus of x sin x divided by 2 minus of derivative of sin x. Derivative of sin x is cos x divided by 2 plus e to the power x upon 2d. Multiply this bracket by 1 plus x square. It is 1 plus x square minus. What is derivative of 1? It is 0 and derivative of x square is 2x divided by 2 plus. What is derivative of the 0 plus 2x? It is 2 divided by 2. So it is equal to minus of x sin x divided by 2 minus cos x divided by 2 plus e to the power x divided by 2d in bracket 1 plus x square minus 2x divided by 2 is minus x plus 2 by 2 is plus 1. So it is equal to minus of x into sin x minus of divided by 2 minus cos x divided by 2 plus e to the power x divided by 2, and 1 upon d is integration. Integration of which term? X square minus x plus 2 multiplied by dx. Do not find out integration of e to the power x. This term is already outside. We have to find out only integration of remaining term. So it is x square minus x plus 2 into dx, which is equal to minus of x sin x divided by 2 minus cos x divided by 2 plus e to the power x divided by 2, and integration of x square is x cube by 3, x is x square by 2, and 2 is 2x. So this is the final answer. It is equal to minus of x sin x by 2 minus of cos x divided by 2 plus e to the power x divided by 2 multiplied by, we can write it as 2x cube minus 3x square plus 12x divided by 6. So it is one more step we can write. It is minus of x sin x divided by 2 minus of cos x divided by 2 plus, we can take x common from this bracket. So it is x e to the power x in bracket. It is 2x square minus 3x plus 12 divided by 6 into 2, that is 12. This is the value of pi. Now final solution is y is equal to CF plus pi, where y is equal to CF is C1 e to the power x plus C2 e to the power minus x minus x sin x divided by 2 minus cos x divided by 2 plus x e to the power x 2x square minus 3x plus 12 divided by 12. This is the final answer for the given example. Next example is solve d square plus 2d plus 1 into y is equal to x e to the power minus x into cos of x. So first find out auxiliary equation. M square plus 2m plus 1 is equal to 0. It is nothing but m plus 1 whole square is equal to 0. And what are the roots for m plus 1 whole square? It is m plus 1 into m plus 1 is equal to 0. So m plus 1 into m plus 1 is m is equal to minus 1 minus 1. Now roots are real and same. So how to write CF? CF can be written as C1 plus C2x multiplied by e to the power minus x. Next, pi. So to find out pi, it is 1 upon d square plus 2d plus 1 multiplied by x e to the power minus x into cos x. Now the question is, only we have cases up to function multiplication of two function. Here we have total three functions: x, e to the power minus x, and cos x. X into v, we have one multiplication function, another is e to the power ax into v. So we have to convert these three terms into two terms first. So how to convert it? Either we can write it as e to the power minus x into x cos x, or we can write it as x multiplied by e to the power minus x into cos x. In both way we can use the cases. So it is 1 upon d square plus 2d plus 1. We can write it as e to the power minus x multiplied by x cos x. Now this is first function and this is another function, e to the power ax multiplied by v. This is nothing but v, this function. E to the power ax into v, how to simplify it? Replace d by d plus 1. Why d plus 1? It is d plus a. So replace d by d plus, what is a here? A is coefficient of x, which is minus 1. So replace d by d minus 1 here. So this is equal to, first thing is we can write it as 1 upon d plus 1 whole square multiplied by e to the power minus x into x cos x. For our simplicity, we can write like this. Now it is equal to e to the power minus x 1 upon d plus 1. Replace d by d minus 1. So d minus 1 plus 1 whole square multiplied by x into cos x. This is our case number 5. Now e to the power minus x as it is 1 upon d as it is minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled, but it is a square, so 1 upon d square multiplied by x cos x. Now this problem become easy because remaining is only 1 by d square. Otherwise we can use that case number 6, x into v. So x into v is x minus phi dash of d divided by phi of d into 1 upon phi of d multiplied by given function. So instead of that, directly we can find out here integration. But here we want to find out integration 2 times. So it is equal to e to the power minus x. I am telling you in both the ways, e to the power minus x as it is integration of x into cos x, and 1d remain as it is. So e to the power minus x by d as it is x into cos x integration. Now to find out x into cos x integration, we have to use u into v rule. So because we have two terms here. So it is equal to e to the power minus x by d as it is integration of x into cos x. It is x as it is integration of cos x is sin x minus derivative of x is 1 and integration of this sin x is minus cos x. So this is equal to, we use here general rule of integration by part. So Leibniz rule, it is e to the power minus x by d as it is x into sin x plus cos x. Now again we have to find out its integration because 1 upon d is remaining. So it is equal to e to the power minus x integration of x sin x plus cos x dx. Now for first part we have to use again u into v, but already we have find out for x into cos x. So this is equal to e to the power minus x. Again u into v rule is e to the power minus x as it is integration of x into sin x dx plus integration of cos x dx. So e to the power x into sin x, again use general rule of integration by part. X as it is integration of sin x is minus cos x minus derivative of x is 1, integration of minus cos x is minus sin x, because cos x integration is sin x only, minus remain as it is. This is first part. Another part is integration of cos x. Integration of cos x is sin x. So plus sin x. So this is equal to e to the power minus x in bracket minus of x cos x minus minus plus sin x plus sin x. So it is equal to e to the power minus x in bracket minus x cos x plus 2 sin x. This is the value of particular integral. Now y is equal to CF plus PI. So y is equal to CF is C1 plus C2x multiplied by e to the power minus x plus e to the power minus x in bracket 2 sin x minus x cos x. So this is the final answer for the given integral. Instead of this, you can use here direct that sixth rule also, that is 1 by d square into x into cos x. See how to use that rule. We have e to the power, particular integral is e to the power minus x 1 upon d square x into cos x. So to find out double integration is difficult. One integration will be easy. So 1 upon d square into x cos x is e to the power minus x. Use that property. It is x minus 1 upon phi dash of d, that is 2d, divided by phi of d. Phi of d is d square, multiplied by 1 upon d square of cos x. 1 by d square of cos x. Yes, this is x minus phi dash of d divided by phi of d into 1 upon phi of d multiplied by given function cos x. So it is equal to e to the power minus x minus, this is 2d divided by d square. I am writing it as it is. You can cancel out d 1d also. Now replace d square by minus 1. So it become 1 upon minus 1 into cos of x. Here we replace d square by minus a square, which is equal to minus 1. Now it is e to the power minus x in bracket x minus 2 divided by d. 1d will get cancelled, 2 by d multiplied by, this is, I am writing this minus as it is, multiplied by cos x. So this is equal to minus of e to the power minus x in bracket x into cos x minus 2 by d times cos of x, which is minus of e to the power minus x into cos x minus 2 by, again 1 by d of cos x. 1 by d of cos x is sin x. 1 by d of cos x means integration of cos x dx, which is equal to sin x. So if we simplify it, it become minus of e to the power minus x into, if we take minus inside, it become minus of x cos x plus 2 sin x. Same answer we got. It is equal to e to the power minus x 2 sin x minus x cos x. So this, in this way also we can find out the answer for pi. Here we got same answer, minus of x cos x plus 2 sin x into e to the power x. Thank you.